Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to show you has been verified by the experts working here in the shop, so relax. This has a solution. That check parking sensors system message in your Honda appears when the vehicle detects that something isn't working properly in the system that helps you park. And here's the important part. It doesn't automatically mean the entire system is damaged. In many cases, according to shop mechanics, the issue is something small, but Honda's system is very strict. If even one component fails, the entire system shuts down as a safety measure. That's why the message can appear suddenly, even when the vehicle seems to be working normally. Now, one of the first things many people discovered, and it sounds almost too simple, is that the sensors may just be dirty. These sensors are located on the bumper, fully exposed to dust, mud, ice, rain, or even wax residue after a car wash. When something covers the sensor, the system gets confused and assumes there's a failure. Interestingly, many owners said the message disappeared just by washing the vehicle or cleaning the sensors with a damp cloth. Something as simple as dirt can disable the entire system. But if cleaning the sensors doesn't fix the problem, the next likely cause is a damaged sensor. This happens more often than you'd think, especially if the bumper experienced even a minor impact. These sensors are sensitive, and a small hit can cause them to stop working properly. In several cases, mechanics found that only one sensor had failed, and that alone was enough to shut down the whole system. The good news is that replacing a single sensor usually fixes the issue completely. Here's one of the strangest, but surprisingly common causes: the button that activates the parking sensors. Yes, the button itself. Many mechanics discovered that the small light inside the button can fail, and when it does, the system may stop working. As strange as it sounds, the system detects that the indicator inside the switch isn't functioning correctly and disables everything as a precaution. Some fix the issue simply by replacing the switch, which is usually a relatively inexpensive repair. After that, wiring also becomes an important factor. This is especially common if the bumper was removed before, such as after an accident or repair. Sometimes connectors are left loose or improperly connected, which prevents the system from communicating with the sensors. Several people reported that the problem was solved just by reconnecting the wiring harness properly. In other words, the sensor wasn't broken. It just wasn't properly connected. In more technical cases, the issue may be electrical. Some mechanics found damaged wires, incorrect voltage, or small shorts that prevented the sensors from sending the correct signal to the system module. When that happens, the system assumes there's a failure and displays the warning message. This is less common, but it can happen, especially in vehicles that have had electrical work done. There are also situations where the problem started right after replacing or disconnecting the battery. This can temporarily disrupt communication between electronic modules. In several cases, the system returned to normal after driving the vehicle for a while or restarting it. It's almost like the system just needed time to reset and stabilize. Finally, in the rarest cases, the issue may be the control module itself, the brain of the parking sensor system. If this module fails, the entire system stops working. However, this is usually not the first component to fail. Most of the time, the problem comes from a sensor, the switch, or the wiring, not the module.